water from the ship, and prepared most the king the cargo of for getting sunny shower an idea come to the king mind. He remembered the story his grandfather had told him. How about one of his amateurs? Because the sea king, and that his crown was the only thing that truly belonged to his. I'm sure he removed his crown immediately and threw it into the sea. All at home, on the storm broke as suddenly as it had started. The steers began to clear, and crew started for joy as they set sail on more of the island of Damascus. When the king stepped onto the island, a creature appreciated up out of nowhere, and the king and his men were struck by its magnificent. It was large and moved with it had a black hide covered in a furry mane, a rich neck, and red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow,